my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and in today's video I have a get ready with me look, basically showing you how I got this all pink look, pink hair, pink nails, pink lip gloss, pink outfit. The wig is from Amazon, so it's basically a bob style wig that's pink with bangs. All the information will be in the description. The lip gloss is Princess Pink by Kharyzma for You, and the outfit is from Shein. Check out the rest of this video if you want to see how I got this look. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a like and share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm starting with my foundation, which is Black Radiance in the color Espresso, and I usually just put on one layer. I put under my eyes and all around my face, over my eyebrows, and yeah, just one layer of it, and then I smooth it out later. Now this is a new batch that I got because it ran out and I had to order some more, but you're gonna see later on in the video this new batch is a little different than the other batches that I've had, and you're gonna see right now as I start to spread it through. Like, just keep watching, you'll see. Like, what happened with this batch, as you can see, it's not smoothing out like the other ones had. So I don't know if I got a bad batch or anything like that. Like, I was not used to it getting dry so quickly and being so hard to smooth out. You see, that's why I made that face. Like, you see how it looks patchy? Like, that never ever happened to me with this foundation. So I really had to go in there with my brush and like work overtime to smooth this thing out, because I was like, what the heck is going on? Now it did smooth out, but it took a lot of effort. Like, I feel like I applied this and it got dry really quickly and then started to leave patches, so I really had to go in with my brush and smooth. As you can see, I don't ever have to do this, so I don't know if I got a bad batch, but I'm gonna see. I have a few other ones that I ordered from Amazon. It may be their batches. Yeah, so when I put my thumb up, that means it did smooth out, but it just was harder than normal. I normally buy this at the drugstore, but yeah, I ordered this from Amazon, so it could just be that batch. So now I'm going in with my True Beauty eyeshadow palette. As you can see, the color that I'm using is just about finished. I have to see if I can find that eyeshadow palette again because I really like it. So I'm just going on over my eyes and yeah, just putting that color there, and all the information will be in the description. So I'm going over with the light one. That kind of just cleans up my brows. It doesn't stay that color. I just smooth it out later. And guys, I'm a beginner at makeup, so I'm still learning. So I know everything's not perfect, but if you're one who's a beginner, this is basic, and this could probably help you. So now I'm going in with my Merit Beauty 1980 brow brush and just filling in the gaps with my brush, and you know, to fill in the gaps in my brows. It makes it look clean and sleek and gives it a more bold look. And I'm going in with some more eyeshadow underneath to just clean it up. I still gotta study brows and stuff like that. I'm not perfect at it, but it does definitely make a difference. I could definitely tell. So I'm just going back in with some more eyeshadow in another color, and I play around with it. I try to stick to colors that are closest to my skin tone so I don't have an issue. Yeah, so you guys who have been watching me, you've seen my growth and development with makeup. So that is my eyeliner / lash glue. It's both in one, and you can find that at kharyzmaforyou.com. It serves as a lash glue and an eyeliner. And now I'm going in with some mascara. That's by Wet n Wild. That was actually gifted to me. And yeah, I am going in with the mascara, not too much, just a little to separate those eyelashes and give them some length, but not too much. So I like that look. So now that's my Merit Beauty blush, and I'll put the information in the description, just a little on my cheeks and spreading that out. And as you can see, all the colors are pretty much kind of neutral. Like everything is just making everything look really clean, really smooth, nothing dramatic or anything like that. A basic everyday look. And I'm going for a pink look today, so yeah, that is my Princess Pink Lip Gloss, kharyzmaforyou.com. Check it out, and thank you to those who purchased for my relaunch. I really appreciate your support. A lot of you love the Princess Pink. It is a favorite of mine and a lot of you guys, so thank you so much for my true blues out there who support me no matter what. I really appreciate it, and it smells so good. I was just cleaning it up a little. It's so glossy, moisturizing for your lips. That is the clear gloss. I also have clear gloss, and I'm just putting that over just to give me some extra. You guys who don't like colored glosses, I still have clear gloss. See, nice basic clean look. So now I am getting my hair from Amazon. This wig was sent to me for review, so I decided to do a get ready with me video on it. All the information about this wig will be in the description, but basically this is a synthetic wig, no lace. You don't have to worry. It comes with a wig cap, and yeah, so I already went ahead and put the wig cap on. My hair is just braided in 2 braids. It comes with 2 comb clips on the sides, and in the back it has elastic. So just yeah, that's the elastic in the back, which is adjustable, and that's me putting it on. As you can see, it has like a little fake part in there, and then it has bangs. So it's a bob wig, which is shorter in the back, and then it gradually gets longer as it comes to the front. And I was just trying to put it on and put the comb clips in there. They sort of kind of mess with my edges a little, so I have to be really careful. And now I'm just combing it out. This is very beginner friendly, so you don't have to do much to this wig, but you know, everybody's face shape is different, so you're gonna wanna, you know, just adjust it the way you need to adjust it. Like I'm brushing it through. I had some issues with the wig because you see it was flipping out the wrong way, so I tried to keep brushing it so that the bob could go inward, not have the flip go outward. Yeah. And then I didn't like the way the bangs were so flat, so I tried to go in with my flat iron to like give it a bump, because you know you can use the flat iron to give it a bump. But before I do that, I'm just slicking down the sides. I kind of like that look when I pin the sides up. I don't know, that really just works better for me for some reason with the bobs. And that's what I'm doing to both sides, trying not to show my real hair, which is black, because that hair is pink. So I'm brushing it down and then just securing it with a bobby pin so the sides can stay down, and you can kind of, yeah, see my earrings that way. So now I went in with my flat iron to kind of bump the hair, but unfortunately this hair, I guess since it's synthetic, it does not take a curl. You saw my face. I tried it again. It did not take a curl. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I messed up the bang. So I tried to work with it, and then I had to cut some pieces of it. And so I went in with my edge wax to try to tame the flyaways, because bobs just move all over the place. Like it will be swinging in your face. So to help with that, you can put some edge wax or some type of thick pomade, whatever it is that will hold it in place for the most part, so you don't have all these flyaways, and then you don't have to worry about the bob constantly coming in your face. That's the thing with the bobs. It looks cute, but it just goes in your face. And guys, the reason why it's pink is because the company reached out to me and wanted me to specifically do pink, so that's why I have pink. And yeah, that's it, guys. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more style of mine, like my reels, my fashion and stuff like that. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a like, share the video, and let me know what you think about the pink. I know it's different, but I love pink. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really love you all, and I appreciate your support.